This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454 for sale is an extensively restored and highly documented factory LS6 car. It is one of only 4,475 LS6s produced in 1970. This car includes the original build sheet, window sticker, protector plate, and copies of titles since it was new. The Chevelle is finished in correct forest green and has power disc brakes behind 14-inch SS wheels. The correct dark green bench seat interior features a padded dash, day-night rearview mirror, rally gauges, and front and rear seat belts. The floor-mounted gear shift mates with a Muncie M22 4-speed transmission. The numbers matching 454 LS6 4-barrel V8 has been freshly rebuilt. You can find the correct casting dates throughout the engine and accessories. This is an extensively restored, highly documented LS6 Chevelle, finished in the correct colors with a numbers matching V8.